All right, it's 2014 Panini Crown Royal. It's a two-box break. Good luck again, everybody. John C., you start off at the top of the list, John. Hit something big, everybody, in this box. Michael G's at the bottom of this list. Let me see, one quick blip in the matrix. And that's all 32. Copying and pasting into random.org, sending it through 7 times. Here's number 1. 32 spots in the break. Ho! What's going to pop out? Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky number 7. Any predictions? You feel anything? Oh, this is our owner list, so we're copying and pasting into our alphabetical ordered NFL spreadsheet. And so you may, okay, Joe, you've got the Redskins. And Greg J, I believe it's Arizona Cardinals are up at the top. Alphabetically, Arizona's up there. So maybe you already know your team just by looking at the random ordered list. But here's our spreadsheet right here. And I'm pasting that list in right there, blowing up nice and big. That's right. We're getting ready for a big hit. It's a treasure hunt. You don't even need a shovel around here. Get in and hit big. Dig in to the next box and hit big. Dig in and pull up a gem. That's our order list, everybody. This will be up during the break. Pull up a gem. Ho! All right. That's a great spot to own. The Giants. Oh, man. It's a treasure hunt. Let's see what pops out in this two-box break. This is for $550. There's 8 hits in here. You got a great shot. Yeah, it's loaded. This rookie class is just loaded. It really is. OBJ's, Derek Carr's, Blake Bortles's, Mike Evans, Sammy Watkins. See what Sammy Watkins is doing. Feel free to make a trade. This is the opportunity that you have to make a trade. Oh, yeah, Blake Bortles is. It's plural. It's Blake Bortles's. Marquise Lees's. Big Hit Boulevard's where we're headed. Final opportunity for trades. All right, you can tell me to wait. If you're mulling something over and you're really close to making a deal, you can tell me to wait. But that, I don't see anybody saying wait or hang on or confirm trade or anything. A lot of trade talks, though. A lot of trade talks. And hopefully Mark T can get back to us real quickly. This is all being recorded. And it doesn't appear there are any trades. So let's rip. Nice to Sean Jackson. Marquise Lee, we're just talking about him. We just said his name. Oh my gosh. Rookie royalty. This is numbered. It is a very nice relic. 448 of 499. Sweet pull for the Jacksonville Jaguars. That's Chris P. Look at that Sammy Watkins rookie. Oh my gosh. Knights and Squires. Let's see if the Vaughn's numbered. Yep. It's a great box break, everybody. 119 of 199. This is really good. Randall Cobb. We've already hit one nice relic. I want to pull somebody in OBJ or Kelvin Benjamin rookie. Or just something amazing. A 1 of 1 is likely to come out. That was Maurice Jones-Drew. That was Drew. Rookie signatures for the Ravens owner. Nice gem. That is 220 of 299. Nice little gem. Keenan Allen. Drew Brees pops. Jeff Janis, 20 of 99. All right, there's a nice Rob Gronkowski. There's some points up ahead. We're going to random off the owner list for the points. All right, there's a code. I want to make sure to cover that up. Congrats on the Gronk. So it's 150 coming up in a random. Nice King's Court. Taylor Gabriel. Cordarrelle Patterson. Yeah, it's 150 points, so we're going to random off the entire owner list 7 times to come up at the top of the list. That's going to be your 150. Nice Le'Veon Bell, King's Court. This is nice, too, the Arakpo. There's like a catalog where you can get your choice. Your choice of memorabilia from Panini. Don't see the number yet. There we go. 295, 499. Congrats to Joe V. Nice Clowney rookie. Ellington, Bruce Ellington, and Cecil Shorts. Saki Trey Mason, heirs to the throne. Nice relics right here. It's going to come down to a random between the two owners. Rye Guy, you're going to start off at the top of the random in a little bit. And then the St. Louis owner, Matt Kay, is in to win. This nice pull. Low numbered hit right there. 23 of 99. Jimmy Graham. Des Bryant. Yeah, I love Panini too. Oops. Nice Arian Foster. Oh my gosh. 56 of 99 on the Arian Foster. Jeff Janis, Green Bay Packers rookie, 3 of 10. Ho! 3 of only 10. Green Bay owner. Way to go. James R.P. 3 of 10. Jeff Janis rookie. Bang. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's a nice rookie, too, of Mike Evans on with Calvin Johnson. Looks like more points are coming out. It's been a point box. A couple of points coming out. C.J. Spiller. And boom, boom, boom. There's another 150 points. And it's going to be 2 different owners who come away with some points. Well, it could be the same owner, I guess, if you have multiple spots. Paul Richardson. Nice Jay Witt. Michael Sam. Kendall Wright. Right on. Yeah. Here's a Forte. There's a Cody Latimer, rookie for Denver. John C. Oh, that's awesome. I don't think we've seen his full potential yet. I think he's going to shine at some point. This is a very nice jumbo relic. 10 of 99. Well, we haven't had any Mike Evans or OBJs out of this box break. I bet you there's one in the next one. Jason Marrow for the Jets. That's numbered. 124 of 199. And Colin Kaepernick. All right, so let's see who gets this hit. A lot of great rookies. This is at random between 2 owners. That's Rye Guy, Mr. Ride A. Oh, yes, there can only be one. Matt K., good luck. And if your name comes up at the top of this list, after 7, you're coming away with this. Here is number 1. Yeah, that was both boxes. Here is number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky number 7. And it's Matt K. who comes away with the heirs to the throne. Nice going, Matt. Congratulations after 7 times through the random. Coming out on top. There is your hit, sir. Bishop Sankey, Trey Mason rookies. 23 of 99. Next up, we have these point codes. And this is going to be a random between everybody in the break. And we're just going to use our original random. And send it through 7 more times. Winner's going to be on the top list. Good luck, everybody. Here's number 1. It's going to be the top 2 after 7 times. So you want to be in the top 2 to hit 150. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky number 7. So it's David C. and John C. who come away with Panini points. That is our Crown Royal 2-box break, and that was some great stuff coming out. Well, we didn't see OBJ or a Mike Evans, and we saw a couple of great rookies, but I think the best is yet to come in Crown Royal. In the next 2-box break, we're very likely to pull something amazing. That was still pretty good stuff coming out in there, and congrats. That was our 2-box break, 66, 95, and 6. That's it.